Something is happening.
Inside the
Check
collider,
parameters.
enormous rings
It's
of
absorbing
neon light begin
Get out of
spinning.
there! Evacuate! Now!
The control room monitors flood red as every graph erupts. A tiny black point appears above the chamber, absorbing light.
What's
A
happening?
coffee cup rises from the table
Oh
and
my
floats
God.
still.
Run! Get out of here!
The black point expands into a blinding violet rift. A silver liquid pours from inside the rift onto floor. Laboratory walls crack open and alien plant roots burst through. Scientists run for the door, but gravity vanishes and float.
Eshik ochildi. Vahima. Portal bizni o'ziga tortmoqda.
A vast translucent shadow shaped like a hand slowly emerges. Every metal object in the lab hurls itself into oblivion. Outside the building, a massive vortex tears the sky purple.
Something is
Blue light
stabilizing.
rising
It's
from
glowing.
beneath the
I don't
earth
like how it's
engulfs the
blinking.
building.
It's looking at us. Alert! Breach in progress. Get back!
Something is
A
happening.
scientist
It's
touches the
stabilizing.
portal
Look,
and
we
the
are getting
air
reports
ripples
of an
outward.
unprecedented event. We're seeing another world in there. Coordinates are locking in. This is history.
Inside the portal, a vision of a parallel world appears. The emergency lights inside the laboratory begin blinking in rhythm. The clock on the wall spins backward wildly and melts. A faceless human shape of pure light steps through reality. The entire building lifts several meters straight up off ground. Inside the scientist's eyes, an entire galaxy begins reflecting now. The portal expands and swallows the entire laboratory room whole. Above the Swiss mountains, an enormous eye of light appears.
Creatures are through, defenses are down.
Every bird in the surrounding sky freezes completely solid midair.
What if
Devices
CERN
worldwide
opened
shut down and
this?
screens
Binodan
flash with
tashqariga
unknown
tortish kuchi qaytadi va
symbols.
hamma narsa yerga qulaydi.
The
A
anomaly
white
is
light
expanding.
wave from the
We
portal
need to
sweeps
shut it
across
down.
everything.
It's rejecting everything. Stand clear.
Everything the light touches turns completely and utterly transparent now. The scientist steps into the portal and dissolves into light. The portal shrinks to a single point, leaving only stone. Outside the building, gravity returns and everything crashes back down.
Something is still out there.
From within the
wrong.
dust, purple vapor
portal is
rises from the
unstable.
stone.
Power's out. Screens are flickering.
Every human eye on Earth flashes the same violet color.